Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to another relaxing drive. Today, we are exploring Heckscher Drive as it passes through Fort George Island, Florida, a beautiful and historic part of Jacksonville. Fort George Island is a special place with a long history. It was originally home to the Timucuan Indians, who lived here for thousands of years. They built villages along the coast and fished in the nearby rivers and marshes. When the Spanish arrived in the 1500s, they met the Timucuan people and built missions here to spread Christianity. The island gets its name from Fort George, a British fort built in the 1700s. The British controlled Florida for a short time and used the fort to defend the area. After the Spanish took back Florida, the fort was abandoned, but the name stayed.
Thank you very much.
As we drive, you'll see how peaceful and untouched this area feels. That's because Fort George Island is part of the Timucuan Ecological and Historic Preserve, which protects over 46,000 acres of marshes, forests, and rivers. This road also runs along the St. Johns River, one of Florida's longest and most important rivers. This river flows north, which is rare because most rivers flow south. At the end of Heckscher Drive, you'll find Mayport, a small fishing village that's home to Naval Station Mayport, one of the largest naval bases in the country. Driving through Fort George Island feels like stepping back in time. It's a place where history, nature, and coastal beauty all come together. Whether you're here for the history, the scenery, or just a peaceful drive, this island has something special to offer.
Thanks for watching!